Hello again, this is Ken Peters at NeeBeRunner.com. In my prophecy-fulfilled videos, we talked about the 9/11 attacks in 2001, the 2010 Haiti earthquake, and the 2011 Japan earthquake, tsunami, and the nuclear disaster that followed. But our mega disaster series is not complete until we can find advance warning proof in the crop circles for the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. And guess what? I think I've found what I was looking for. Starting 4/28/2004 till 8/3/2004, I found 6 crop circles with messages related to the December 4th tsunami. I want to show you these because what we can learn from them, the missed signals, can help us prepare better for the coming disasters. Let's review the message together now. On April 28th, 2004, this crop circle appeared in Germany. It is a big circle with a dot in the center and 4 wave-like movements at the lower right with 4 dots on the lower left. I want you to compare this with a wonderful Indonesia symbol. Do you see any resemblance? I think the center circle showed the epicenter of the December 26, 2004 earthquake. And the movements symbolize the tsunami destruction. The wave actually cut the circle to 8 sections. And if you add 8 months to the date April 28, 2004, you get the disaster date. And I believe the 4 smaller dots represent the major countries affected, that being Indonesia, India, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. Then on 6/15/2004 in Spain, this circle appeared. Please look at this and the earthquake map. Don't the dots spattered resemble the islands around the epicenter? While the spiral show the earthquake and the tsunami on that fateful day. On June 26, 2004, this crop circle appeared in Germany, with a big spiral in the center representing the earthquake, and 6 big waves surrounding the epicenter, which look like the tsunami waves. Now add 6 months for the 6 waves, and you will get December 26, 2004. The date the earthquake took away 228,000 lives. On July 30th, 2004, in Berkshire, England, this spiral crop appeared. It looked like an earthquake center in the middle, surrounded by whirlpool kind of waves. Please note the outside layers of waves seem to have cuts on 3 sides, though I do not know what it means. However, the circle seems to be warning of the coming earthquake and tsunami. There are 6 crescent moon-shaped wave-like objects circling the center. Then on August 2nd, 2004, in Hertfordshire, England, this crop circle appeared. Did you know there were 2 mega earthquakes that hit the Indian Ocean around that time? A 9.2 and then an 8.7, which was not an aftershock, but another earthquake triggered by the 9.2 earthquake. I believe that is why there were 2 big dots in the center, while the bigger one triggered the tsunami, which engulfed the house next to the center. They show the devastation we will face in 5 months' time. There are also 4 rows of dots extending to the top of the circle. I think it represented the casualties which would be suffered in the countries of Indonesia, India, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. Also on August 2nd, 2004, in Wiltshire, England, this intriguing crop circle appeared, showing a circle with 2 blank rows on the outside and what looks to me like an earthquake with huge tsunami waves. What is most intriguing is that the very next day, with already many people checking on this formation, and little chance for any prankster to go back and finish more details, yet more artwork appeared. This time we have repeating graphics filling the 2 outside rows and more line details in the center. I can't really decode what these new codes are, but if you do have the answers, please share with me. Please note that I only listed and decoded the crop circles with the strongest link to the events. If you have more information, please do share. Thanks for watching.
Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven.